Okay, another quick video on the interior fit out and structure building for the caravan that we're doing. Most of it's done now. I didn't do many videos during it. I was too busy doing it. So we've got this caravan was just a sofa at that end. Didn't have bunk beds before. I've got two little girls, so I wanted bunk beds. So we stripped the whole caravan out. See an earlier video, everything was stripped out. And I've built all this basically out of structural pine myself. I've used a lot of, that was 32mm by 32mm square structural pine that you get from Bunnings that's pre-primed in the pink. So I've used that for a lot of the structure just because it's strong. It's a little bit heavy for a caravan, but this caravan should be alright. So, and then I've used marine ply pretty much everywhere else, and I've just sort of built it as I've gone along. Yeah, so I built the bunk beds there. They sort of sit between structure there. I put some plywood into the walls to strengthen the walls, so I could put the bunk beds in. You can see in there the little sort of structures that I made for the seating. And then that's all just marine ply on top and then painted. Yeah, and then more structure inside there for the seats, all pretty strong, not too heavy. Another wardrobe there. And some cupboards at the end, they're all brand new. This caravan's falling apart, so structure's all in there. Same again, just the plywood and the 32mm square structural pine. Blinds have just gone in, just put some normal roller blinds in. Bed, we just got a bed from Super out. We just really got a metal bed frame, put a proper mattress on it, double bed, and then underneath I made some like wooden feet for the bed structure to sit into, to hold it in place when we're driving around, and it gives it just a bit more strength on the floor. So that's hopefully will work well. Kitchen, we went to Bunnings and bought some flat pack kitchen units, the 450mm wide ones, and basically just made them and then do some cutouts for the wheel arches, and then the white glossy ones. It's sink, we got that from the caravan shop, and a tap. We put some more storage in overhead cupboards. They are actually pop riveted into the aluminium frame, into the back, and I also put a piece of wood underneath for strength, just to hold it in place. So I've got one there, and also one there, just for extra storage, so we should be pretty good for storage, hopefully. That's it. Hopefully it'll help somebody. Cheers.